Hello student, in last lecture of arbitrary I have taught you about the arbitrary properties. After that I taught you the left rotation, right rotation, and depending using these we read about the different cases of arbitrary insertion, in which we read that there are basically two categories. One in which the parent is the left child of its grandparent, and in category 2 the parent is the right child of grandparent. In case 1, when parent is left child of grandparent, there are three cases. Similarly, when parent is right child of grandparent, then there are three cases. In case 1, I am giving you a brief summary of the cases. After that, I am going to show you an example that will explain these how we can apply these cases. In case 1, when the uncle was red, in that case, in case 1 uncle was red, and in case 2 and case 3 uncle was black. In case 2, the parent newly inserted node Z is the right child, and in case 3 the newly inserted node Z is the left child. Similarly, in second category, when the parent was the right child of the grandparent, there were three cases. Case 1, when uncle is red, and case 2, when uncle is black, and case 3, but in case 2, when uncle newly inserted node is the left child, and case 3, when uncle is black and newly inserted node is the right child. So generalizing all these two, we can say that the only difference between category 2 and category 3 is that case 1 is same for both categories, that when uncle is red, then case 1 is applied and we color the uncle and parent into black and change the color of the grandparent into black. And in case 2, the case 2 of category 1 is case 2 of category 1 is the case 3 of category 2, and case 3 of category 1 is case 2 of category 2. So I shall keep on explaining the different cases and their application, because you will understand it by uh, only seeing the seeing at the example, by solving an example. So I take one and one. Now I write a question that insert the following element into an empty arbitrary, right? The elements are 4, 7, 12, 15, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 14, 18, 16. 14, 18, 16. Yes, so these are the number which we have to insert into an initially empty red node should come together. Whenever two red node comes together, then the properties violates and we need to run the procedure of arbitrary fix-up. So the solution is, first insert 4. Insert 4. Since 4 is the single element, it will be of red color, but since it is the only element and it would be of root, so it will change into the black color. It will change into black. So initially the tree would be, first element 4 would be of the black color. So I am using the term small capital B for black. So first element will be inserted, and since it will be initially as a red color, because every new element that is inserted into the tree by default it is of color red. But if the new in any node becomes root node, then its change color changes into black color. Okay. So first element is 4 and it is of black color. So the next first step, now the second element, insert 7. Insert 7. Since 7 is greater than 4, so it would be a right child of 4. So 4 is of black color and 7 would be inserted to the right of it, because 7 is greater than 4, and by it would be of red color. It would be of red color because every newly inserted node is of red color. A black node can have red child, so a black node can have black child or red child. It has no, it does not create any problem. But a red node cannot have a red child. A red node can have only black child. So there is no violation because the root node is of black color and child node is red. So no problem in attaching a red color node to the black node. So we do not need to run any fix up procedure on this. So we shall move on to insert the third element. Now the third part, insert 12. Insert 12. Insert 12. So after inserting 12, 12 is greater than 7, so it would be the right, greater than 4, greater than 7, so it would be the right child of 7. If that is of black color, red color, and again 12 is the newly inserted node, and every newly inserted node is by default of red color. So here red, here the violation occurs because a red node is having a red child, and as per red RB tree, no R node, red node should come together. But here two R nodes are coming together. So this is the violation of RB tree. Here one point you should remember that in this, if there is only a left child or only a right child, in that situation we consider that its left child is, you may consider that is a nil, is nil, and it is of black color. It is of black color. Everywhere where there is absence of right child or left child, by default you can consider that it is filled by a nil pointer, nil value, and that is of by default black color. So taking a look here, we can see that after inserting 4, 7, 12, this, the parent is the right child of, parent is the right child of grandparent. So it is of category 2. When parent is the left child of the parent, then it comes under the category 1, and it is going under category 2. See, because the parent is the right child of grandparent and uncle is black. Uncle is black. I considered nil value as uncle, and by default the nil color is equals to black, and 12 is the right child. 12 is the right child. I have told you that case 2 for this will come under case 3. Because when parent is left child of grandparent, then for the right child you go for case 2. But in when the parent is the right child of grandparent, then for the, this will be considered as Z node, and the newly inserted node is also a right child, then it goes for the case 3 dash. Case 3 dash, or you must case 3 dash, in, or by generalizing you can say that by case 3. In some books it is written case 3 and case 3 dash written. So here we will replace as apply the case 3. Case 3 dash. So after applying case 3, I am rubbing this portion. When we apply case 3 dash, what we do in this case, in case 3 dash, we change the color of parent to become black, and parent of grandparent become red, and we perform the right rotation between left rotation between parent and grandparent. Okay, so after this will convert like appear like this: 7, 4 and 12. Case 3, I am writing the operations: left rotation between parent and grandparent, parent and grandparent. Okay, and after this, the now the color of 7 is black, and the grandparent color was changed from black to red. This is of red color and this is of red color, right? Because I remind you once again that U case 3 dash is not a new case, but it is simply the case of case 3. In the when the this is the case 3 dash. In case 3 dash, what we do, we change the color of parent into black and change the color of grandparent into red color, and after that we perform the left rotation between parent and grandparent. So after this, now we have inserted 4, 7, 4, 7, 12. The third element is 15. Now we shall insert the element 15. The next element is insert 15. Insert 15. So here 7, 4, 12. Obviously 15 is greater than 12, so it would be a right child. 15. Now again this one is of red color, black color, and this will be of red color because every newly inserted node is by default of red color. So again the violation occur because red node is having a red child. Here the the uncle color is of red color. So you may say that case 1 dash because the parent is the right child. So we shall apply the case 1 dash. This will come under case 1 dash because the parent is the right child of grandparent and uncle is of red color. So we will change the color of uncle into black, parent into black, and color of convert into a black color. So after the case 1 dash, this will appear like this: 7, 4, 12, 15. Okay, so this is the black color, black and red color, right? So we have inserted 15 and it is height balanced because there are 2 black height 2, black height 2. So it's fine. The next element that we are going to insert is 3. Next element that we are going to insert is 3. So I am taking you. So I am writing the same thing here, and after that black, last part black and 15, and after that I am inserting 3. I am rubbing this part. Okay. Now I am inserting 3. When I shall insert, 3 is smaller than 4, so it would be the left child of 4. So this will become like, I just write it here: insert 3, insert 3. So it would be the left child of 4 because it is smaller than because it is smaller than 4, so it would be the left child. Since it is having a black parent, so black parent can have either red or black node. Here there is no violation of the arbitrary properties because black node can have red child. So there is no violation, so we do not need to run any fix up procedure. So third has been inserted, number 3 has been inserted. After that we shall insert number 5. Insert 5. Since 5 is greater than 4, so it would be the right child of 4. So after this it will appear like this: 7, 4, 12, 3, 5 and 15. So black, 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 red, red, red. Again in this case, a red parent is black and newly inserted node is red, and a black node can have red child or black child. So there is no problem. We do not need to run any fix up procedure. So 5 has been inserted successfully. After that we shall insert number 14. Now in this situation, what will happen? Insert 14. Insert 14. Again 7, 4, 12. 14 is greater than 12, so we shall the pointer will shift on the right side, but there is an element 15 and 15 is greater than 14, so 14 would be the left child of 15. 15 and 14. Okay, so the black, black, red, red, black, red and red again. Now in this case, there is a red parent and it is having a red child. This is the violation of red black tree properties. So we need to run the fix up procedure. In which case does it lies? Since here parent is the, by default you may consider that this node has having a nil value and it is of black color. So in this case parent is the right child and newly inserted node is the left child. So it would be of case 2 dash, case 2 dash. So in this case 2 dash, what we do in case 2 z dash, we simply perform the right rotation over the between parent and the child, and we shift the z pointer that was at the newly inserted node up to the parent. So here we shall apply the case 2 dash. I am rubbing this part. So after case 2 dash, case 2 dash, I am once again explaining this. When the parent is the right child of grandparent, so it lies under case 2, and in case 2 when the newly inserted node is the left child, then it goes under the case 2 dash. So this this is the case of, this is the example of case 2 dash. So after the rotation it will look like this: 7, 4, 12, 3, 5 and now here 14 and 15. But the pointer will be, z will be shift to this position. No color change will occur in this case. Red, red and black, 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 red and red. And I have told you while explaining the case 1 category 1 and category 2 that when our case 2 comes, it is sure that it will go into the case 3 after the rotation. So now the same question goes under the case 3 because 3 dash, because still the parent is the right child of the grandparent, and now the z position is as the right child. So in case of right child, this is the case of case 3 dash. This is example of case 3 dash. So in case 3 dash, what we do, we change the color of parent into black, and change the color of grandparent into red, and after that we perform the left rotation between parent and grandparent. So here a rotation, left rotation will take place between parent and grandparent. So after this rotation, it will appear like this. Yes, after this, 7, 4, 14, 12, 15, and here 3 and 5. This one is of black color. 14 has turned into black, and 12 has turned into red, and this is of red color, and these are also of red color, and root node is of black color. Now 14 has been inserted. Okay. Now the next elements are 18 and 16. The next element is 18. 18, after inserting 18, this will be greater than, insert 18, this will is greater than, I am just using the same figure, I am just inserting the element 18 here. After the rotation, the number 18 will be inserted here, and it would be of red color. Okay. I just used the same figure. After the rotation, I inserted the element 18, case 3 dash, and insert, I am writing here, insert 18. Insert 18. After inserting 18, we find out that this is the example of case 1 dash, because uncle is of red color. Uncle is red, parent is red. So this is the example of case 1 dash. So after case 1 dash, what will happen? The uncle will be colored into black, parent will be colored into black, and grandparent would be colored into red. Grandparent would be colored into red. So after this, it will appear like this: 7, 4, 14, 3, 5, 12, 15, 18. So this is of red color, black, black, red, red, and this of black color, and red color, right? Now the last element that is left to insert is number 16. So in this case, number 16, when you will insert 16, 16 will be the left child of 18, because it is greater than 15 but smaller than 18. So after inserting 16, I am rubbing this part. After inserting 16, insert 16. So 7, 4, 14, 3, 5, 12, 15, 18, and 16, right? And black, black, red, 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 black, black, red, and red. Again, in this situation, red node is having a red child, so we need to fix the arbitrary properties. I am rubbing this part. So after this, here again we can consider this node to be having a nil child of black color. So in this case, when the parent is the right child of grandparent and newly inserted node is the left child, and the newly inserted node is the left child, then what we do, we go for case 2. In case 2, what we do, case 2 dash, case 2 dash, in case 2 dash, what we do not perform any color change, we simply perform right rotation between parent and the node Z. After this rotation, it will look like this: 7, 4, 14, 3, 5, 12, 15, 16, and 18. Okay, so here I am marking a color black, 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 and red, red, black, black. एक उसको बंद कर दो बस, black, black, and this is of red and red. Now the Z pointer will shift from the Z node to the parent node. The parent node was 80, so Z will shift to this case. Here I have told you that whenever case 2 or case 2 dash occurs, we shall definitely move to the case 3 or 3 dash respectively. So here now the situation is very much same. We can consider this node of having a left child of black color, nil node, and here the parent is the right child of grandparent, and the newly inserted node Z is the right child. So this will be the case of case 3 dash. So this will be the case of case 3 dash. What we do in case 3 dash, we change the color of parent into black and color of grandparent into red. And after that, what we do, we perform the left rotation between parent and grandparent. What we do, we perform the left rotation between parent and grandparent. So after the rotation, this will convert into, I am rubbing this part and drawing the same figure once again. After the rotation, so I am just using a 7, 4, 14, 3, 5, 12, 16, 15, and 18. Okay, I am writing a color black, black, red, 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 black. This one of black color because parent has been changed into the black color and grandparent into red color. So red, and this is of red color. Now we have inserted all the node, and thus this is the final arbitrary after the insertion. In this we can make verify that the constructed arbitrary is correct or not. We can calculate the black height to the from root to the leaf node. While traversing from the root node B to leaf node, there are two black nodes. In this path, there are also two black nodes. Here also the black length height is equals to 2. Here the black height is also equals to 2. So this is the completely balanced arbitrary. So I shall solve one or two more examples like this in the class. After that, you will get comfortable with these type of problems, and this is a little bit confusing when you learn it for the first time, but after doing 2 or 3 numericals, you will become thorough in that. So thank you.